Disallowance of expenditure under section 40A3. Provisions of section 40A3 are attractive if all the following conditions are satisfied. First, the assessee incurs any expenditure exceeding rupees 30,000. Such payment or aggregate of payments in a day exceeds rupees 30,000. Rupees 35,000 is the limit in case of payment made for plying, hiring or leasing goods carriages. Payment is made otherwise than by an account pay check or an account pay demand draft. If these conditions are fulfilled, then disallowance will be done under section 40A3. Amount of disallowance shall be 100% of such payment. Exceptions to section 40A3 as prescribed under rule 6DD of the income tax rules. There are certain exceptions to which the provisions of disallowance of 40A3 is not applicable. When the payment is made to Reserve Bank of India or any banking company, the State Bank of India or any subsidiary bank as defined in section 2 of the State Bank of India, any cooperative bank or land mortgage bank, any primary agricultural credit society, the Life Insurance Corporation of India, government, and under the rules framed by it, such payment is required to be made in legal tender, where the payment is made by any letter of credit arrangements through a bank, a mail or telegraphic transfer through a bank, a book adjustment from any account in a bank to any other account in that or any other bank, a bill of exchange made payable only to the bank, the use of electronic clearing system through a bank account, credit card, debit card, where the payment is made by way of adjustment against the amount of any liability incurred by the payee for any goods supplied or services rendered by the assessee to such payee, where the payment is made for the purchase of agricultural or forest produce, produce of animal husbandry, poultry farming, fish or fish products, the products of horticulture or apiculture to the cultivator, grower or producer of such articles, produce or products, where the payment is made for the purchase of the products manufactured or processed without the aid of power in a cottage industry, in a village town which on the date of such payment is not served by any bank, where the payment is made to an employee of the assessee or the heir of any such employee on or in connection with the retirement, retrenchment, resignation, discharge or death or gratuity, where the payment is made by an assessee by way of salary to his employee after deducting the income tax from salary in accordance with the provisions of section 192 of the Act, and when such employee is temporarily posted for a continuous period of 15 days or more in a place other than his normal place of duty or on a ship and the produce of animal husbandry, does not maintain any account in any bank at such place or ship, the products of horticulture or apiculture to the cultivator, grower or producer of such articles, produce or products, where the payment was required to be made on a day on which the banks were closed either on account of holiday or strike, where the payment is made by a person to his agent who is required to make payment in cash for goods or services on behalf of such person, where the payment is made by an authorized dealer or a money changer against purchase of foreign currency or traveler's check,